Alright guys, time for an update. I figured I'd show you what I got going on with the old H8rstang and how much further I got along. Didn't do a whole lot of videoing of the putting it together part, but you know, kind of boring. You know, I figured you guys would like to just see a an overview of, you know, where we're at now, you know, and then maybe some video of it going down the track when that happens. Waiting on a couple parts still, so I'll show you what we got going on. So, as you can tell, motor's all together. Got all the injectors in, harness on, got the catch can on. Got a line down here. This is kind of a service-free catch can. Got the water lines all done. Got the intake pipe on. As you can tell, right up there's the turbski. And yeah, under the hood's pretty much done. Guess let's hope that I got the harness done correctly, so I don't have to chew back into it, if you know what I mean. So then the other thing too, I know everybody does them, but I ain't made of money, so got some black chrome dark stars. These are, I guess these are well, this is a bolt pattern is 4.75. I couldn't do the 4.5 because I couldn't get the back spacing right. As you can tell, I had to have these wheels cut. They kind of cut this surface right here, and they fit great with tires and everything. And here's the rears. Got some X275 drag radials on there. Yes, sirree, Bob. Look at that. There we go. Yep, looking good. I definitely have room to run with a wider tire if I need to, but got all the room in the world underneath. Yeah, it's a little dark. Maybe I'll get a flashlight, but yeah, parachute mount. Just got to get a parachute. A buddy of mine's gonna let me borrow his older one, so we're gonna slap that on for now. They're like $300, and right now I'm kind of pinching pennies, you know. Freaking race cars are expensive. So all I got left is to finish up this wiring mess right here. So got a few more relays to add, the starter relay and whatnot. I gotta wire up the buttons, wire up the trans brake, the nitrous wiring, water pump. So basically I got this is the trans brake. This is the temperature sender for the trans temp. Duh. Anyway, but got to get all this all wired in. Get the solid state relay on there, so I have a, you know, the Fuel Tech runs or acts as a bump box, so I don't have to get a bump box. So Fuel Tech's good to go. Like I said, I gotta run these underneath the dash. Don't really know if I need a panic button, but my setup, I'm comfortable with this being my trans brake. That's going to be my bump button, and this might be a panic button. I don't know. We'll see. But as you can tell, I just got a little bit left there. I got to mount the battery box, so that's just kind of sitting there now. Those are some of the lines and whatnot. But yeah, no, this thing is coming right along. So ran into a little issue, not huge, but now I'm gonna have to get like a kind of a beauty ring or whatever. Had to cut this guy up a little bit further, so now I got a big old hole right here because this, I don't know if you can see it very well, but the tire, when it's turned to the right, was rubbing on my exhaust, so I had to bring it up. But I think I'm gonna have like a special nice little beauty ring with like a Cobra, since this is a Mustang Cobra, done up for that. But yeah, stance looks pretty good. I mean, I gotta say the black chrome race stars are not a bad little tire, you know. That worked out good. That's the cage bar for the fuel cell. But yeah, she is looking good. Got all that. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a coupling here or what, but yeah, got the blanket. Make sure, hopefully these things are done right. These things are noisy, so I got it on rubber mounts, you know, so you don't have to hear the clicking. Yep. Got to go through and tighten those up. I still got a few things to do, you know, as far as like to finalize it, you know. As you can tell, you know, got my check off sheet to go over. That's literally everything that I need to finish her up. to make sure that I am good to go before we take it to the alignment shop. And then I don't know if we're gonna dyno the car. If we do, I guess I'll get some video of dynoing it. But I mean, yeah, I mean she's coming right along. I figure I got another week and this thing's gonna be on the track, and it's gonna be videos of the old H8rstang rolling down the track. It is definitely a ugly ass car, but you know what? It's mine. So it's my ugly duckling. But yeah, I mean, eventually I got plans for the car to be painted white. I always like a nice bright car, as far as like especially sitting in staging lanes. I don't like really dark colors because it tends to heat up, inside the car. And yeah, so maybe my dad will help me out or let me borrow his paint gun and some paint. I'm gonna do some blue pearl in the white. I think that'll look good. But yeah, she's together. It's been a while in the making, so I mean, stay tuned. I'll have some more updates. When she gets fired up, I'll get that on video, and yeah, I mean, I can't wait to go full send on this bad boy. So see you guys later. Keep you posted. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.
Well, and that wraps up this episode here at Snellfed Performance. We appreciate you stopping by and checking out the channel. Hopefully you give us a like and subscribe for future updates on Mark's Evo, as well as other projects we have down the line. Have a great day, and thanks for coming by.